Um, Milton always, like, the first training I took with Milton, it was like Betty was going around trying to figure out what hookup was.
Right.
And she said, is she in hookup? Is he in hookup? Is she in hookup? And Milton said, oh, for a minute, there. And when he come to me, he said, Betty, she is so deep in hookup that you could not get her out. So we can do tutorials virtually.
Well,
very well.
Here we are. I found this incredibly satisfying.
Me too. Me too.
Guiding you there. So we're coming from this direction. And now I'm sinking all the way through to the inside of your spine from this direction, right? Yeah, there we go. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. And just let your breath easily come in and out, and the whole length of your torso